Welcome back to Majin Buu Monthly. Tonight we're gonna draw Kid Buu, Kibito Kai absorbed, and here's some odd stuff. Elder Kai told that Kibito Kai should stay, even though he wanted to help Goku in his fused form, but unfortunately for him, I don't know what would happen if Kibito Kai decided to sneak out and fight Majin Buu, but instead get absorbed by him and become invincible. I don't know why he'd do that. But, you get the point. And I don't get why the Z fighters never call Kid Buu by his actual name. I don't understand why they don't call Majin Buu, this form of Majin Buu, as Kid Buu, his name. Anyways, when drawing Kid Buu, you must start with the upper half. Now we draw the Supreme Kai clothes that he wears. Now we draw his suit. There we go. I know I'm not supposed to be out here when I'm getting frostbite. I love you guys. There we go. We have him staring at his hand. There we go. That's how you draw Kid Buu, Kibito Kai absorbed. Wow, he looks awesome in this state. Anyhow, I'm proud you all got to see me draw this guy. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comments below which character you want me to draw next before I get frostbite. Stegosaurus, see you later.